He said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. He was born love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers.
Hey guys, welcome back to your girl Empress Euphoria's YouTube channel. And guys, based on the title, you already know what it is. We are doing a Shein and Nike haul. Starting this fitness journey in your 30s and beyond looks different for everybody, right? It's not just about chasing the numbers, it's about feeling confident, right? And what better way to feel confident than having new sets of outfit, activewear, right? So we need activewear. So I got these tight sets from Shein. They are 2XL. I definitely could have sized down to 1X, but for me, I'm not sure if you guys are the same. I don't like clothes that feels too tight on my skin. Am I weird? I don't know. But for some reason, my skin itches when the clothes is too tight, especially leggings. So I don't mind it being a little loose, right? These jacket, I actually bought a black one before and I was in love with it. And can I tell you, Shein sizes is not one size cut equal, because these 2X are pretty big on me. You're going to see that when I'm doing the try on haul. But nonetheless, as I said, I do like my clothes a little loose fitting. So I'm not really mad at it. It's just not giving me the curvature as how I would have loved it, but I'm not mad. So I got the gray in the sweat top and the blue also. This does not have anything to do with activewear. This is a robe that I ordered, and can I tell you guys, I feel like I was catfish with this one, because the picture shows it to be, you know, those blanket kind of material, fleece material. I thought that's what I was gonna get, but hey, for the price, we can't complain. And up next, I'm so excited for this one. So I want to start doing my walk-ins again. I want to start my morning walks, weekend walks again, and I have got myself a pair of Nike sneakers. My old sneakers, they are about 5 years old or more. I've had those A6 sneakers for a good run, and what I notice about them, because it is kind of high in terms of the sole, or the platform is a bit high. When I'm walking in them, my feet hurt, so I decided on getting these Nike Free Run 2018 sneakers. As you can see, it is flat, it is perfect for walking and running, which is what I need something that is flat, right? And I got these, and these are a size 10, black and white, and I actually bought these from the Nike store. When I did a price comparison on Amazon, they were around $70 something, and on Nike store I got it for $59, and as you can see, they were going for $100. So I believe I got a steal on these. So I'm definitely leaving the link down in the description, you guys, if you want to check it out, if you want to purchase it, as well as the Shein item codes in the description. Guys, I am so furious about Amazon, because look how Amazon give me this big box. I'm like, what is it that I ordered? Like, I thought I ordered something incorrect to get such big box. Look at the big box just for this little bag. So as a gym girly, because guys, you know that I was going to the gym, and some of the things that I realized that I needed was a gym bag. I need a gym bag to put my water bottles, my towels, my little essential stuff. So I got myself this gym bag. I did not bought this on the Nike store. I actually got this off Amazon, so I'm gonna link it down in the description, guys, if you want to check that out. Yeah, I got this for $39. It's the Nike gym tote bag. It is so roomy, guys. It has several compartments for your phone, for your purses, for your bag. For inside is organized. The straps, I would have preferred if the longer straps was actually longer. It and the shorter straps is almost the same, but I'm not really mad at that. I'm not mad at that. And the pockets are deep. They are deep, can hold a lot of stuff. And it at the side of it, it can be expanded by pulling the zipper down, and you can put in more stuff in it. So yeah, I'm so excited. So these are the stuff that I've got. My mini haul, mini activewear all for the gym, starting over. Hey guys, we're at the end of another Shein try-on haul with a little bit of Nike in it. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give your girl a thumbs up. Yes, share it with a friend who may need it. Yeah, don't be stingy, don't be selfish. We don't gatekeep around here. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video and turn your post notification on, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. Alright guys, and comment down below which piece is your favorite piece. Bye! While I turn around, you watch me check up on you.